Trushine Cleaning. Give us a call. Y'all see it. 314-518-1853. Huh? You just weak, boy. You did both sides already? Yeah. Do this one. Just go over without the water. Just dry it up. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, just go over a lot of dry strokes. See that? We'll see if they come out. Push the little metal thing in. Yep. Wasn't successful getting that ink out. It's like it was coming out for a second, but then it stopped. So I'm not sure about that, but everything else seems to come out great. So that's pretty much it. So, hey, Miss Ruby.
Yes.
Oh, just let you know we was finishing up. I mean, we about done now. So
Okay.
we got everything all loaded up.
All right.
And if you can, just keep it kind of like this for a while until it's fully dry.
All right.
So it can kind of dry evenly. And then you can put it down.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.